My LinkedIn account got restricted, but I recovered it 100% without any tools or hacks. Go to this link. I have shared this link in the description. You don't need to log into your LinkedIn account or any other account. So first of all, you have to give your first name X and second name Y. I mean the last name. And you have to give your email, which is linked with your LinkedIn account. And then there's a question, does the name of your LinkedIn profile match the name on your photo ID? Yes. Now, are you currently traveling? Oh, yes. No, that's not. I'm not traveling. So, no. And if you are traveling, so you can click yes. And then, have you accessed or created your account VPN? No, I never. So, no. And then you have to write your location like United States, United Kingdom, like that. And then, recently have I made any changes to my profile? No. And there is the crucial part. You have to write this part very, very carefully. Don't worry, I have a template that I am going to share with you. Just you have to put your name and send this. Okay. So I will share the doc in the description. You can check it and just copy it. First of all, you have to write your name. This X here, you will write your name and LinkedIn account URL. Yeah, it's important. How can they will actually detect you? So you have to give your LinkedIn account username and then the email that is actually linked with your LinkedIn. And then you have to write when it happened. Yeah, when the restriction is made, actually you will get an email. So you can write that. You have to write I am located in location. You will write this again, and then everything is same. At the last you have to write your name again. And for this part you have to attach your government issued ID, driving license, passport or national ID card. So I am going to attach my NID. This is my ID I added. It is a front and I added the back one. And yeah, you have to mention what type of ID you have added here. I am mentioning here I have attached my NID photos. And after that you have to click I agree and then write your full name here and submit it. I already have done it, so I don't want to actually do it again. You can see that my account got backed. We have verified your information and the restriction has been removed from your account. I got my ID. I hope you will also get your ID back soon. So if it's actually worked for you, don't forget to comment here and it will reach to more people and they know this is a authentic way to lift the restriction. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.